Okay.
This is a pattern that's written by well, I don't know if it's written by her, but it's
Holly.
from Freia.
It's written by Holly.
It's one of their patterns, and I thought it would be really fun. These little things, they're called tufts, and so I just thought I'd show you a little tutorial of how to do the tufts.
Okay, yeah, we just got this super bulky in yesterday.
So I'm using one of hers.
Nice.
Kind of more of a natural color. So the tuft, you don't knit really anything, or I guess you do, but you put it back on. It's sort of like a knitted cast on, really.
Nice.
Okay. So you have to do it a total of 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3. And here's 4. And then the last time on this 4th one, but it looks like 5 because this was the original. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to knit the last one.
Wow.
Okay, and then you put it back on here. I know it's a little different than a regular bobble for sure. Then you take this first one, you pass it over. You take the second one, you pass it over.
Cute.
You take the third one, you pass it over, and you take that very first one you did, that you pass that over. Then this wasn't really in the pattern, but I found it was a little bit easier to manage. I actually knit into the back of that. And then there's your tuft.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, so
Cute. And look at all of them.
yeah. I'm actually done with them, the first 3, so, but I wanted to show it to you. So if you have any questions, pop in, because there's a couple other little tricks I'd love to show you.
Yay.
All right, see you later. Bye.